I'm back in a whole new location. Welcome to my lab setup. Hopefully, you have some procedures that you came up with. If mine are not the same as yours, that is totally okay. But we do need to look at what kind of data we're going to record. So if you look in this data table, it says starting mass in a closed system. It says starting mass in a closed system, but there are two ending mass sections. So one of the times I do this, I need to have a closed system. You all are smart people. I can imagine that you know what closed means for a bag. So one situation, I'm going to have a sealed bag, another bag ready for action. I'm going to have to also have an open bag because I want to know, is this bag trapping gas or is it letting it escape? We're going to see what the change of mass is and make any observations. So step one, I already have my 8 bath bombs in a bag. Before I smush anything up, I need to make sure my bag is closed. So I don't want any extra air in there. I have a closed bag. Got my handy dandy smasher. Don't drink coffee. Don't have another use for this, so might as well use it. And before I smash, I need to take the weight in grams. So I'm going to take this over to the scale. Can't really see it. There we go. And it weighs 14.3 grams. 14.3 grams. Let's make sure you get that on page 7 as well. It's time for the smackdown. So, gonna take my bath bombs, gonna take my handy dandy smasher, and let's see if any air starts to fill up this bag. Now I need to be careful. Can't hit it too hard or I'm gonna puncture a hole in the bag. There goes one. And another. Sorry, there's stuff in the cup. Might want to get that out of there. Little trinkets, you never know what you're gonna get. In case you can't tell, I'm getting real tired here. Getting a little delirious. It's okay. Crushy, crushy. All right, I want to make sure I did not crush any holes in my bag. Got my crush bag. Back to the scale it goes. This is for my closed system. It weighs 14.3 grams. That's going in the next cell. All right, now I need to see the starting mass of my open system. It hopefully is 14.3 because I did use the same bath bombs. Crush those up. Crushy, crushy. Make sure, I forgot to weigh it. We agree, 14.3 again. We don't have to write anything down. Back to crushing. Make sure my bag's open. Open sesame. Okay. This time, if there was any gas made, it could have got out of there. See if it affected any weight. 14.3 grams going in the ending mass of the system. Grams. All right, change in mass. I don't know about y'all, but 14.3 minus 14.3 puts us nowhere. 0 grams different. Observations. Did we see any inflation? Only one thing to notice here. I'm not running to get a solid bath bomb right now, but you know what they looked like to begin with. This is what I got left over. So make sure you record your observations. Next up, we are going to discuss our conclusion questions with our shoulder partner. There's only 3 of these. Hopefully it only takes you about 3 minutes. Look at those questions. I'll be back.